Best CRMs for real estate. Top choices for agents. Hello, hope you're doing good. If you're a real estate agent looking for the best CRM to boost your business, you're in the right place. As in this tutorial, we'll be going through 6 of the best CRMs for real estate professionals. Whether you're managing clients, tracking leads, or closing deals, these CRMs can help you stay organized and efficient. Let's dive straight in. At number 6, we have Pipedrive, a CRM that's great for agents who want an easy-to-use, lead-focused tool. One of their main focuses or better features is their lead tracking. Pipedrive makes it easy for persons to track and manage leads through a visually intuitive pipeline. It's perfect for real estate agents who want to keep everything in front of them. Also, their automation features allows you to automate follow-ups, emails, and tasks to ensure that no lead slip through your fingers, and their email integration easily integrates with your email so all communications are in one place, and also their customization. With it, you'll be able to create custom pipelines to match your sales process exactly how you want it. The only pullback when it comes onto Pipedrive is while it is very user-friendly, it doesn't have as many real estate-specific features as some of the other CRMs on my list. Now, let's check out their pricing. With Pipedrive, while you can get started for free, their basic plan starts off at $14 per month and it goes up to $99 per month depending on the features that you want. But I would definitely recommend it. And next on our list at number 5, we have HubSpot. And I would consider HubSpot the best free option for beginners. HubSpot is a free CRM that offers great value for real estate agents just getting started. With their free plan, you'll be surprised by the amount of features, as HubSpot is robust, offering lead management, task tracking, and email marketing, and also their automation. With HubSpot, you'll be able to set up workflows to automate client outreach, saving you time on administrative tasks. And you'll also be able to access basic reporting features to track your progress and improve your processes. And you'll be able to easily integrate with other tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, and even some real estate software like Zoho. The only pullback is, while free, HubSpot's advanced features require a paid upgrade, which can get pricey for teams. And talking about pricey, let's check out their pricing. With HubSpot, you can see right here, you can see it starts off at $800 per month for businesses and enterprises, and it goes up to $3,600. And for small individuals, you can see while it is free, it goes from $15 a month up to $800. It all depends on the amount of persons in your team and the amount of features that you want. At number 4, we have Real Geeks, and I would consider Real Geeks best for real estate lead generation. So if lead generation is your priority, Real Geeks is a great CRM choice, and it is coming in at number 4. One of their main features is their lead generation tool. Real Geeks is designed specifically for real estate professionals, offering landing pages, ads, and SEO tools that help attract new leads. And also, Real Geeks integrates IDX for MLS listings, making it easy to display property listings directly on your website. And you'll also be able to manage and nurture leads through a streamlined pipeline, tracking where each client is in the process. And also, you'll be able to automate your email marketing campaigns and drip weekends to nurture leads over time. The only pullback when it comes onto Real Geeks is Real Geeks can be on the pricier side, and some users report that it takes a bit of time to get everything set up properly. And talking about pricing, you can see right here, if I were to check out their pricing, it starts off at $5.99 per month and it goes up to $1,599 depending on the amount of features you want. And at number 3, we have Zoho CRM. With Zoho CRM, it is great for those looking for a highly customizable CRM with tons of features. Zoho lets you create custom fields, modules, and layouts so you can tailor the CRM exactly to your business needs. You'll also be able to set up automated workflows for lead nurturing, follow-ups, and more, saving you tons of time. And let's talk about their advanced reporting features that help you track lead conversion rates, sales, and other KPIs. And they also offer a mobile app. Zoho CRM's mobile app allows agents to manage their leads and clients on the go. But there is a con. Zoho CRM can be a bit overwhelming for beginners because of the number of features available, and the pricing can escalate with add-ons. And if we were to check out their pricing, you can see right here, if we were to go monthly, it starts off at $18 per month and it can go up to $55 per month depending on the amount of features you want. And also if you were to use other Zoho stuff from their Zoho ecosystem, it can get a bit more pricey. And at number 2, we have Follow Boss, and I would consider it best for streamlined follow-up. Follow-up Boss comes in at number 2 and is specifically designed to help real estate agents follow up with leads in a seamless way. It easily imports leads from multiple sources like Zello, Realtor.com, and even your website, making it easy to consolidate all of your leads. You'll also be able to set up follow-up sequences to send automated emails or texts to clients, ensuring timely communication. And their pipeline management allows you to track and manage your leads through the sales process with a clear, customizable pipeline. You'll also be able to access your leads and data from anywhere with Follow-Up Boss's easy-to-use mobile app. The only pullback that I would say with Follow-Up is, while it excels in follow-up, it doesn't offer as many lead generation features as some of the other CRMs that I've mentioned. And at number 1, we have Salesforce. Salesforce is the best all-in-one CRM for real estate. Salesforce is the powerhouse CRM that's perfect for real estate teams looking for a complete solution. With Salesforce, you'll get access to a customizable dashboard. Salesforce offers highly customizable dashboards, so you can keep track of everything from client interactions to sales performances, and also advanced automations. Automate tasks, workflows, and reminders to save time and stay organized. And also their real estate solutions. Salesforce has dedicated tools for real estate professionals like property management, MLS integrations, and lead tracking. It integrates with hundreds of tools and apps so you can connect everything in your workflow seamlessly. The only pullback when it comes onto Salesforce is Salesforce can be complex to set up, and its pricing structure can get quite expensive, especially if you need advanced features. And you can see right here their pricing if you were a small team, so let's check that out. It starts off at $25 per month and it goes up to $100 per month. And you can see it varies depending on the features that you want. And in conclusion, which CRM should you choose for your real estate business? Pipedrive is great for lead-focused agents who want a simple visual pipeline. And on the other hand, HubSpot is ideal if you're just starting out and want a free, easy-to-use CRM. And Real Geeks is perfect for agents focused on generating leads and growing their business. And Zoho CRM is for agents who want flexibility and customizable CRMs. And Follow-Up Boss is perfect for persons who want to automate follow-ups and is great for agents with a lot of leads. And Salesforce, which is number 1 on our list, is the best choice for teams that need a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for managing every aspect of their business. While each of these CRMs has something unique to offer, I want you to think about it, and based on your budget and the features that I've explained, you choose the best one that suits your desired needs. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.